So I'm getting out my E6000 glue, a seashell that does not have a hole in it, and these really cool beads. Aren't these pretty? Love the crackle in this glass. I'm also getting a headpan and some ear wires out. So I'm doing a little bit of experimenting for the collaboration challenge that's hosted by Pirate Pretties. It's the Double Color Jewelry Collaboration Challenge. And this month, which is June of 2023, we're supposed to be using blue and tan, which if you look at this shell, it's got a little bit of tan on there. And then we're supposed to use bronze, brass, or silver. So the findings I'm using are kind of an antique bronze. And we're making earrings and we're using a seashell. So recently my husband and I went on a cruise. One of the places we went were the Bahamas, and I was able to pick up a few seashells that I really liked. And I thought these would make some good earrings. They don't have holes in them. I really didn't want to do any wire wrapping. So I'm taking my E6000 glue and I'm trying to glue this bead in these. To me, that looks like a little bit of a cloud in there. So let's see how this works. So what I did is I just took a head pin and made sure that it wasn't going to be too small at the bottom where the bead fell off. And then I just made a little messy wrapped loop. And now I'm going to take some E6000 and squirt some in there and glue this bead and then have these sit overnight. All right. They're going to sit there and dry and cure overnight, and hopefully tomorrow I'll have better lighting. It's kind of been a stormy day today, but I think tomorrow is going to be stormy too, so we shall see. It's the next morning, and these are all glued in. I'll give you a little close-up of what I did here. I put the little end of the wire where it's up against the seashell. Here's the other one. This one's all finished. And you can hang these however you want. I want them to hang where you can see this, but when they flip around, you'll see that really pretty bead. Let me finish this one up. What I'm going to do is take my ear wire, and it's a little opened there. I need to open up it a little bit more, hang it on there and close it up, and then I have me a pair of souvenir earrings from my trip. So I'm showing the earrings on my doll. Today is no makeup day for me. I do that about once a week to get my face a rest from all the yucky makeup. But anyway, they're hanging on her pretty much how they would be hanging on me. See how they kind of flip around a little bit with the shake of your head. There's another angle. I really like these. They're a good size too. I want to thank you for joining me, and go check out all the other participants. I'll leave a hashtag down at the bottom, so you can just go click on that and see all the other participants, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with a Willow today and the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.